One of the great things about being a manager is that it allows me to put my own ideas into practice. I've always been extremely keen and eager about promoting the Welsh language, not only in day-to-day living, but also within the workplace. And through having the opportunities to be the Speak Up Welsh Guardian, these have also been shared through Ocean Community Services, where my ideas to promote the Welsh language have been used.
The importance of promoting the Welsh language within OCS is everyone should feel included and important. That's why I think she is exceptional, because the amount of work and dedication she has put in, along with the other staff she has worked with at the time, really makes us understand why we do this job.
The benefit of promoting the Welsh language throughout the care service is major. And thank you for this opportunity to promote and express as to why I feel the Welsh language is important to promote throughout the healthcare. Diolch yn fawr.